In this video, you will learn about the question word how. This topic is a part of sentences. We have learned about 5 question words: what, when, where, why, and who. What asks for more information about the event. When asks for more information about the time. Where asks for more information about the place. Why asks for more information about the reason. And who asks for more information about the person. Let us learn about the question word how. How is used to get information about numbers and quantities. Use how to find out about age. For example, how old are you? Or, how old is your son? Use how to find out about size. For example, how big is your car? Or, how tall is the giraffe? Use how long to find out about length and how wide to ask about width. For example, how long is the snake? Or, how wide is the river? To make sure the answers are understood, use the words long and wide in your answers. For example, the snake is 5 feet long, or the river is 2 meters wide. Use how long to ask about time. For example, how long is the movie? It is 3 hours long. Use how many to talk about countable nouns like people, apples, and dogs. For example, how many people are coming? Or, how many toys are in the box? Use how much to talk about uncountable nouns. For example, water, time, and money. For example, how much water do you drink? Or, how much money do you have? Use how much to ask about the cost of something. For example, how much is this for? Or, how much for these pants? Now you know about the question word how and using it to form questions.